Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find unclaimed money in Credit Karma. So the process is very easy to do. Just follow this step-by-step guide and you will be able to find your unclaimed money. So the first thing you need to do is just open unofficial unclaimed property websites. As you already know that Credit Karma doesn't directly offer a service to find unclaimed money, but you can use the other free resources to locate unclaimed fund. So just open up missingmoney.com, or you can also open your state's official unclaimed property website. And once you do that, simply enter your name, state to search any unclaimed money that might belong to you. You can also try past addresses if you have moved frequently. If you find unclaimed fund, follow the instruction to submit a claim, and you may need to provide identification or proof of address to confirm your ownership. Other sources may include the IRS or tax refunds, the FDIC for unclaimed bank funds, and the US Treasury for saving bonds. So that is how you can find your unclaimed money in Credit Karma. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.